Hi, this is Matthew with Remedy Roofing. On this project in the Meyerland area, we're removing the old shingle roofing system and upgrading to a standing seam metal system, as you can see one of our experienced crews doing here. There are many benefits to such a system, a few of which are lightweight and durability. Metal systems are very lightweight. Unlike heavier specialty roofs, such as tile, a standing seam metal roof can be installed to any roofline without the need for further bracing. And with the radiant barrier underlayment we've installed in this particular home, the roof will be very energy efficient. A metal roofing system is amongst the most durable of all systems. They are extremely resistant to impacts, high winds, and fire. And they'll outlast most shingle roofing systems by 20 years or more. For this reason, many insurance carriers will even offer insurance premium discounts on homes with a metal roof. For more information on metal roofs or for a free estimate, visit remedyroofing.com or call us at 888-HAIL-PRO. That's 888-HAIL-PRO.